Yeah. So that's a very beautiful introduction of why the customer delight and customer loyalty is important in our business. It helps to increase our bottom line, which is the ultimate shareholders return, and create a brand loyalty to keep on attracting the new customers. And as you rightly said, acquiring new customers cost more compared to maintaining the existing one, or to selling to an existing client. So in order to make the guest loyal customer of your business, we have to take care of every aspect of their experience. So how do we enhance the customer experience? How do we make them delight? So is there any tool that we can use?
You see, what is the best way to improve somebody's business? It's not to build an excellent product
Mm-hmm.
using the latest innovative technology. I would say yes, that is correct. But the answer and the core lies in the improving the customer experience. You may have the best of marbles in the hotel, you have the best of chandeliers in the hotel. You must be using the latest iPhone, MacBooks in your front desk and your back of the house. But if your customer's experience, if you're the down the line staff and the staff there is not able to give a customer an experience, a delight, all the investment which has been made into the hardware and software goes down the drain.
Mm-hmm.
Today, we need to understand today the customers don't just buy a product.
Yeah.
They perceive the entire process as an experience
Mm-hmm.
or memory. And they recall that when doing business with the hotel again. Tomorrow, if you've stayed in one hotel and tomorrow you're going to go back again to the same hotel, your memory will revive automatically. What are the cycles which you went through?
Mm-hmm.
How good or how did you enjoy those moments? And that is going to be the deciding factor to book the hotel again or not again, or that brand hotel again. Customer experience, I should say, is again the sum of all experiences and moments a
Yeah.
hotel has before, after, and while using a
Mm.
particular hotel's product or service. It is the customer's perception of the brand.
Yeah.
Today, you need to be very, very careful because today the customers are very savvy and they have a power to choose between competing companies, competing hotels, because a lot of brands are available in the market space today. So delivering exceptional customer experience is the only way to increase your customer base,
Yeah.
increase your customer satisfaction level, is to customer loyalty. These are the brand ambassadors. When they go to social gatherings, when they talk to your friends and relatives, they usually talk about it. That, okay, I went to an holiday. My holiday at XX hotel was great, super.
Yeah.
So that entices the other customers
To
to
come and
also
stay.
try your hotel.
Yes. Yes. You're right.
And in the years to come, customer expectations are going to increase further. For the simple reason that the customer today has become very, very educated. He has got in front of him the plethora of the web, the World Wide Web. He has lots of information with him. So his knowledge has increased a lot. So with the advancement on technology and explosion of the digital innovations, customers will in times to come will demand more personalized and proactive treatment from their brands.
Yeah. Yeah.
And this will force the companies to change in the coming times. The hospitality industry companies or anybody in the service industry, they have to recognize the shift in the customer expectations.
Yeah.
Today, you can't just sit back and say, okay, today we handle customers like this. Every day is a new day.
Every day is a new
Every
day.
day is going to be a new challenge. So the companies must use the information to anticipate the needs of their guests. They must see the customers holistically, and they must adapt customer leadership roles in the organization so that the customers are retained and customers are delighted.